Good Thursday morning. It is November 7th, 2024. Gonna be another warm one today. Highs up in the mid-70s. Nothing like yesterday's low 80s where we broke records, but still really warm for this time of year. You see this up here. You do see some moisture kind of getting involved as this front that's kind of washing out. It's coming through. Showers are possible, especially through about midday, but nothing too much or big, noteworthy situation. Rafael, the hurricane down in the Gulf of Mexico. Only the second hurricane at this strength in the Gulf in November ever, but anyway. It looks like it's not going to get much picked up here initially here, but there is some moisture it's trying to throw into the system that's coming and approaching. The question is just how much moisture can it throw our way. This morning models and some of the models last night had a little bit more moisture than before. And so because of that, I had to update the forecast for the next 7 days because it shows a little more rain, maybe a half an inch or so over the next 7 days. But honestly, not expecting too much. It's not going to do much of a dent in the drought. We will get a drought update this morning, and I will share that on the Facebook site. But it just doesn't look good for our drought situation at all. As we go ahead later into the week, you're going to see this low here. This is on the 14th. So this is all the way out next week, a week from now, before maybe another front hits us. But I mean, we're still in very warm conditions, strong southerly winds. Temperatures probably up into the 70s again, probably near 80, possibly towards the middle part of next week. This front leak's a little more strong. We'll have to see if it's real. But this low up into Canada is a different look than some of the other lows and the fronts that have come through. So it seems to have a little more of a kick. And if that is true, so again, we're talking way out, 7-8 days from now, so the 15th, so we're talking a week from this Friday, this may be the first kicker of another cold shot, or cooler shot, where we could get some nighttime lows down below freezing, which we just haven't seen much at all in recent days. This is a big high. It's pretty far removed, so its influence won't be quite as heavy as it could be, but as long as it's got that northerly flow, we're definitely going to see some cooler trends here for a few days. If this is true, this will be next weekend time frame. But, I mean, you do see the bounce back. Once this high gets off to the east, we get some southerly winds. There is some residual cool air. That's why the mountains are going to see some snow. If this is true, I mean, I think this is way out in La La Land, so we probably shouldn't be going into details, but, you know, maybe a chance for some more showers out of this. That low is a little different. It came from the northwest to the southeast. That's a different flow. Still not a lot of moisture around, though. I mean, I don't like what I'm seeing for our drought relief at all. And now we're way, way, way out in La La Land. This looks like a little more of a significant front, which would probably be the first true colder shot of the season in parts of the country. But we're so far out there, not sure I would even trust it. But if this were to come true, that would be the coldest temperatures of the season. But we're talking all the way out, you know, towards 2 Fridays from now, so that's just way out there. In general, though, like I said, it's going to be warm today, warm tomorrow, a little bit cooler on Saturday and Sunday. We get our best chance to shower Sunday night into Veterans Day Monday. Thank you, veterans, for your service. It still will be milder, you know, next week into the 60s. Not as hot maybe as what we saw, but we will see a bounce back up into the 70s for sure. So, anyway, a few showers around today, but by midday, clearing out and in the mid-70s. So a really nice day ahead. Have an awesome Thursday. This has been your Loudoun County Weather Outlook.